Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Got all this crap in this corner here I gotta get cleaned out.
I just watched Mr. Pete talk about the 3 near-death experiences he had. You might want to go see his latest video, it's kind of funny. But here I am standing at the drill press with gloves on. And I've told everybody don't wear gloves when you're doing the drill press. I know. Do what I say, not what I do.
There's a saying in the welding business, a grinder and paint makes a welder what he ain't. And this guy wasn't a welder. So they covered it over with this real heavy, thick paint primer. You can see the ripples where the paint flowed and covered up the welds thick enough that you couldn't really see them. Unfortunately, that let them get by with a welder who couldn't weld. And that's why this thing tore off. Now that I've got all that paint cleared out of there, I can set this in place. And weld it down like it should have been a long time ago. I'm gonna have to set it down here, put a tack on it, line it up, put a couple more tacks on it, and then weld a bead along the outside, and then go in and weld a bead on the inside. And that should keep it on there. It's a shame that it was made that way, but then if it hadn't been, I wouldn't have it. Yeah, let's hope those coals are enough to get this thing going. All I've got right now coming out of it is a bunch of smoke.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.